calf muscles and also allow the vibration and the oscillation to move up into her hips, her upper back, and you can even see it working through her shoulders. Once again, she's holding onto the handlebars just to help to maintain balance. You can hold that platform rather than the outer edges because we want to focus on flexibility and not strengthening and toning. So in this position, she's really stretching out her inner thighs, and you want to stretch, get a full stretch, keeping this leg straight, allowing the vibration and oscillation to travel up your spine, opening up your back, opening up your hips. She's had her hips stressed, so now she's opening them up, getting rid of that tension, and just laying into it. You can raise it. If you can raise it higher, that's even better. But just start by just raising it slightly, shifting your weight to the front. Once again, working on her balance, asymmetric balance. And always remember what you do to one side of the body. I stay here working on the balance of my affected leg. And as you progress, you can take your hand off the handlebar, focus straight ahead. So I'm not gonna rep it out. I'm just gonna come down, hold the position, allow the machine to do the work. Now I can go into the standard full push-up. Hands in the footprints, balance on my heels, and come up. This is a mid-range position for a tricep dip. If I wanted to, I could rep it out, but there's really no need to. I'll just come down, mid-range position, and it's almost like a V-up. Keep my legs straight, doesn't matter how high I raise them as long as I keep them straight. Keep my abs crunched forward, and so right now it's legs and actually a total core exercise. A lunge, a weighted lunge with a pulse type action. So we're gonna rep this out. She has the weights in her hands. She has one foot on the platform. She's on the ball of her foot on her back leg. And what she's doing, she's pulsing straight up. Again, we're not really working on flexibility. She's not trying to stretch out. She's just opening up the back and letting the oscillation and vibration just naturally allow her to lower herself lower and lower. She's not gonna pull herself all day, walking, running, jogging, whatever you do, and you start to feel your legs tightening up and you just want to relax them. You can lay on your back with your legs across the platform, one leg going across each footprint with your feet extended past the upper